Looking to install a wall-mounted electric fireplace? We've got you covered. In this video, we'll walk you through the simple, step-by-step process to safely and securely mount your electric fireplace on the wall. First, start by choosing the right spot for your electric fireplace positioning. Make sure there's access to a nearby power outlet and locate the wall studs for added support. Once you've found the perfect spot, mark the placement for the mounting brackets and secure them to the wall. Next, attach the fireplace to the brackets and ensure it's properly leveled. Connect the fireplace to the power supply, following the manufacturer's wiring and safety guidelines. Be sure to leave enough wall clearance for proper heat distribution. And now you're ready to enjoy your new electric fireplace. For more home improvement tips, make sure to subscribe to our channel and visit our website for detailed installation guides.